Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a rose on Dress to Impress. Maybe you can use it for the Garden of Eden round, but you do need some adjustments, so I don't know how much time you have. So select this beanie, and you're going to want to color it 500B0B like this in metallic, and I'm just going to save that color. And for the adjustments, put the position to Y at 0.8. Then you're going to want to rotate the X to 0.25. And you're going to want to scale it all the way to 0.88. Okay. Then you're going to get this hat in the same color and material. Position the Y to 0.93, and then you're going to want to rotate the Z to 0.75, and then we're going to scale it all the way to 0.84. Then you are going to grab this hat over here, this one, in metallic and in that same color as well. For this one, you're going to position the X to 0.26, the Y to 0.80, and the X to the Z to 0.53. Rotate the X to 0.48, the Y to 0.28, and the Z to 0.17. And we're going to scale that to 0.86. Next, we are going to grab this sideways hat in that same color in metallic. Now for this one, you're going to position the X to 0.67, the Z to 0.71, the Y, and then the Z to 0.54. My bad. Rotate the X to 0.47, the Y to 0.71, and the Z to 0.37. Scale the item to 0.67. Why isn't this working? Hold on. There we go. That was annoying. Get the flower crown. Where is it? Hello. Oh, it's right here. Sorry. And you're going to color the first three that same color. Except for the last one, you're going to color it 55508. We're going to rotate the X to 0.83. And we're going to want to scale it to 0.70. There we go. Hold on. I feel like there's something missing with this one. Or not. Okay. Then you're going to grab this from VIP. This is the last item that you need. And you're going to want to color it all in the same color. 50321F for everything. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. For the adjustments, position the Y at 0. And that is it. Hello. Oh, there it is. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!